Just found a hidden game in the Android operating system when not connected to the internet and hooking up an external keyboard. Check this out. Having trouble with this tablet, and I had a friend of mine who's asking for my assistance here. But as you can see here, look, we got a Google Assistant, and when the keyboard is hooked up, there's this little hidden mini game that you can play. Whoop. But I'm pretty sure that you have to have a micro USB to USB adapter and a keyboard plugged in, because this game would not be operational or functional otherwise. So I don't know if anyone's ever seen this game, but I just stumbled upon it with a keyboard mash. I'm trying to get to the home screen, and I did a keyboard mash, and here we are. So hidden game, Google Assistant, no internet. Pretty crazy. Let's see if we can get a high score. Like, come on. I'm nice at these little mini games, man. So it's J.V. Everything about us is blue collar, and we get it out the mud. Stay tuned. And please chime in the comments if anyone has seen this game before. Thanks for watching. God bless.